Welcome to another episode of Cooking on Caffeine. I am Megan Leal, and today I'm going to show you how to make my super duper easy vegan bacon grease. This stores like bacon grease, cooks like bacon grease, it bakes like bacon grease, and it tastes like bacon grease. And like I said, super easy to make. We're going to start out with a skillet, a sauce pot, a stock pot, whatever you want to use here. And I put it over medium heat, and we're going to wait until it heats up, and we are going to add our fat. I am using shortening. If you don't want to use shortening, you can use straight palm oil. And if you don't want that, you can use refined coconut oil. You can also use deodorized cocoa butter or shea butter, as long as it is a flavorless solid fat. That is what we are looking for here. We're going to pop it in the pan and let it melt. And then for our bacon flavor, we are actually using Bac'n Bits. This HEB brand of Bac'n Bits is actually made of soy. There's no real pork or animal products in it. The McCormick brand is the same. You can find them in the salad topping aisle of your grocery store. And once our fat is melted, we are going to add an equal measure of the bacon bits to it. So since I used about 2 tablespoons of fat, I'm going to do about 2 tablespoons of my bacon bits and stir it up. We're going to wait for it to foam up a little bit. It just takes a couple minutes, maybe 2 to 3 minutes over medium heat. It shouldn't spatter. It's just going to start to get bubbly and foamy, and that lets us know that our flavor has been deposited into our fat. You can see what it looks like here. Now, since all the flavor has come out of the bacon into our fat, the bacon bits actually don't really have a whole lot of flavor left, but they are deliciously crunchy, so you can save them if you want to. I scoop them out, drain the fat off, and I put it on a paper towel lined plate. If anything, it just tastes like popcorn. So if you want to snack on them, you can, but I just throw them away. And then what we are left with after this is our vegan bacon grease. It tastes like bacon grease, and it's great for green beans, collard greens, breakfast potatoes, fried onions, whatever you want to do. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see y'all next time.